take us back to the specific, ito yung moment na gusto kong gawing profession tong passion ko. Parang kaya ko siyang gawing passion. So, we want everyone here to hear, of course, paano yung naging successful yung career nyo from that passion that you had before na aha moment. Sige, go. So, sino po yung may mic?
Hello. May mic ka ba? Ito. Tinatago ko lang talaga. Sige po, ako na po muna. Muna sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa pag-invite sa amin dito. Para po sa akin, yung moment na yon is when I realized that I have no access at all sa mga meron yung mga musicians that time. I have no recording studio. I have no any access sa mga mamahaling mic and all that. And para po sa akin, gusto ko sabihin again, I always say it, na never be afraid to start alone and to start small. Para po sa akin, nakatulong talaga tong internet, especially PLDT Home Fiber. For me as an artist, I take inspiration a lot sa internet. And syempre, aminin na natin, mahirap po talaga nang walang internet. In this day of age, tama po, di ba? Para po akong mahihimatay talaga pag wala. May isang buffer lang 5 seconds, ayoko na. Hindi, pero grabe po yung impact sa akin. And I feel and I really believe that it plays a vital role. Hindi lang sa, again, nakikita po natin yung mga success stories, hindi lang po as a musician, but also sa kahit anong field. And with this new connection that we have sa PLDT, everything is more accessible, hindi lang po sa mga taong may kaya. So maraming salamat po PLDT for giving us this opportunity as well to spread this news, good news, na hindi lahat ng tao ay kailangan nasa certain age, nasa certain standpoint sa buhay nila. Anyone can start and anyone can be successful. Ayan po.
Wow. Thank you so much for these inspiring words, Maki. So, gusto ko lang i-dig deeper ng konti dun sa sinabi mo kanina na internet is a very important or vital role sa'yo as a musician. So, from recording demo music in your bedroom and now you're topping charts locally and internationally, your songs very much resonate with people here and of course abroad. When you're writing or you're sharing your music, how do you make sure that you connect with your fans?
Well, personally for me kasi, I start with what I like. And para sa akin, you need to start with confidence also. Kasi internet can be a good place or a bad place. But for me as well, ako para sa akin, mas more on dun sa good, especially when you're trying to pursue something na hindi siya madaling makuha. And we're very lucky na ganito po yung generation na nabigyan kami ng mga ganitong kabibilis na internet para ma-express namin yung passion namin, especially music. And may mga platforms na para dito na mapakita namin sino kami as an artist. You know, you don't have to audition masyado. Parang isang one viral video from the internet can take you so many places. And syempre, hindi naman magva-viral yan kung di mo na-upload, di ba? So mahirap na. Sabi ko nga po kanina, nag-upload kami around 6 to 8 p.m. Tapos pag hindi na kami nakapag-upload ng mga ganun, mahirap na makakit ng traction. Tama po, di ba?
Tama yun.
Okay, tama po, Ninong Ray. Thank you, Ninong Ray. Tama po yun. So, syempre, kailangan po din na very accessible and very fast yung internet for you to upload. And again, we're very honored and very happy to be representing PLDT because para sa amin ito pinakamabilis. And we're thankful na we get to express our talents through the internet because of you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Maki. So, if I can move on to Ninong Ray naman. Ninong Ray, kamusta?
Okay naman.
Ay, wala ata sound yung mic. Ayan.
Hello.
Ayan.
Yeah, okay.
So, alam naman po natin na super viral ni Ninong Ray sa mga videos niyo on cooking and all that. Ako po mismo, inaabangan ko po yung isusubo niya yung first perfect bite ng mainit pa. Ganun po tayo. Tuwan-tuwa po ako pag nakikita ko yun. So, your viral videos have made a significant impact really, not just on your life, but also on your fans online. I'm sure dami na namin gumaya ng recipes mo. Pero, tell us about how video content that surprised you with how much your fans loved it.
Alam mo, people often ask me, kasi
paano ba magkaroon ng maraming views? Like, tingin nyo, alam ko. Alam mo yan. Hindi ko talaga alam eh. Although syempre meron kaming framework na nagtatrabaho kami within. May idea kami. Pero in terms of, virality, wala namang may monopolyo ng dyan eh, ng information dyan. No? Walang isang taong nakakaalam. Maaaring alam mo yung elements para makuha yung bagay na yun. Kaya mong himayin yan up to the last second, which I often do. Inaaral ko talaga per second. Titingnan ko kung saan magda-drop off yung tingin ng tao, mga ganang bagay. Pero kahit i-apply mo yung mga bagay na yun, hindi talaga siya, sure. Ngayon, meron kaming idea na sineset sa team na hindi tayo magfo-fall dun sa, parang I call it the Mr. Beast trap. Wherein itatap mo yung last video mo. Itatap mo siya ng itatap. Hindi mo kaya yun bilang tao eh. Hindi mo kaya yun. So, nag-settle kami na meron kaming rhythm. Meron kaming video na we think will perform well. Meron kaming video na for daily consumption lang. Pero, may rhythm siya. Tapos sina-timing namin yun kung saan mas maraming tao say weekend ngayon. So, dyan namin ilalagay yan. Pero payday weekend, hindi namin ilalagay dyan kasi usually payday, wala ang tao sa bahay. So, meron kaming mga ganong data na pina-follow namin. Ngayon, what we realized is, kahit yun nga, i-apply mo lahat ng alam mo sa isang video, hindi siya secured. For example na lang, sa short form, meron kaming isang video na shoot lang talaga namin for 15 minutes. Isa siyang cooking vlog na sobrang basic lang. Literally, nagprito lang kami ng patatas. Ngayon, I think meron siyang 15 million views. Sobrang, sa internet kasi, yung effort na pinasok mo does not equate dun sa pag-consume ng tao sa kanya. So, hindi dahil masyado pinaghirapan yung video na to, i-consume siya ng tao. So, what I tell people is, upload ka, aralin mo, like, intindihin mong mabuti. So, meron kami mga video, for example, meron kami nagluto kami ng ostrich, okay naman siya. Like, isang 22-year-old na ostrich, niluto namin, which we thought, magpa-viral ng matindi. Nag-perform naman siya well, pero hindi. Bakit? Sinubukan namin i-analyze. Kasi hindi siya relatable. Ano siya, may spectacle siya, pero hindi siya relatable. People watch me kasi yung mga niluluto ko, pwede na nilutuin. Tapos yung patatas, na pinarito ko lang, na walang ka-effort, nag-15 million views. Na hindi namin inasahan talaga. So ngayon, mula dun sa mga data na nakuha namin, tatry namin mag-work doon. So, hindi talaga hindi talaga siya, wala talaga sikreto. What I tell people is be consistent. Be consistent lang talaga. Like, kahit anong mangyari, may sakit ka man ngayon, make sure na may upload ka. Paano mo gagawin yan? Kailangan, mag-shoot kayo ng batch. And kapag nag-shoot kayo ng batch, tapos batch upload din yan, medyo yung mga nakakonect sa bahay nyo, kung medyo mabagal-bagal internet nyo, magre-reklamo na yan. Bakit ang bagal ng internet ko? Kasi ganun kami, tsaka isang video file namin sa long format, around 50 gig, isang long format video namin. So kailangan talaga namin ng stable na internet. And again, maraming salamat sa PLDT kasi hindi nyo kami pinapalya, kaya kami laging consistent. Hindi pwedeng ikaw lang ang consistent, kailangan yung mga partners mo rin sa negosyo ay consistent. Kasi, paliwalayan kung ikaw lang eh. I mean, kaya mo bang isalaksak sa lalamunan ng internet yan kung wala namang internet? Hindi eh. Hindi talaga eh. Tapos, ito usually mga businesses, dalawa ang internet connections yan. If in case mag-fail yung sa tulad sa amin, kailangan namin talaga ng internet. Tigil trabaho, wala kaming internet. Pero dahil sobrang consistent, isa lang talaga linya namin. PLDT lang talaga. Kaya again, maraming salamat sa inyo. Kung walang PLDT, wala tayo dito ngayon. Thank you.
Wow, hindi mo scripted yun Pero, so natutunan po natin kay Ninong Rai, mag-print po tayo ng patatas. Hindi po, biro lang. Is being, of course, consistent with what you do, your passion, and of course, having the right tools at your home to be able to produce those videos, to be able to continuously learn what you can do to make the video better or trend or yung mga templates na pwede niyong gawin for your next videos and the batch videos as well. So it's really not a one-man team basically. It's your whole team consistent effort from everyone, continuous learning, and syempre, the right tools at home. Okay. Susie, ready ka na? Ang cute ni Susie, no? Okay. So, you started as a solo streamer before. Solo streamer ka dati.
Actually, nag-start po ako na meron na nagsusupport behind me.
O, tignan niyo, mali pala itong script ko. Mayroon pa lang po, joke lang. So, you started as diba? Binasa ko lang po yun. So, may ano ka na pala, may kasama ka na before. And now, you're leading the entire esports community as the CEO of Rumble Royal. Isipin na yun, grabe!
Kaya Rumble Real din po yung nag-support sa akin.
Oh,
Way back then.
grabe, sobrang achievement. What is your biggest turning point that made you realize you can do more and successfully build opportunities for other esports aspirants, especially as a girl in the male-dominated industry?
Oh. Actually, I would like to thank muna kayo guys who organized this campaign. Kasi without you guys, we're not gonna be able to share this story, inspiring story. Kasi many of us guys, napanghihinaan ng loob mag-umpisa. Pero we're like you guys, nag-start kami from wala. So yung pagkapunta ko sa career path na meron ako right now, it's actually accident. Hindi ko siya in-expect. Kasi gamer lang din talaga ako na nag-aaral before. I was studying computer engineering and most of my classmates during that time likes to play. So we play after kapag meron kaming free time, ganyan. Tapos may nag-aya one time na, uy, may Philippine representative representing the, Philippine representative. So, na ipapadala sa, worlds, right? So, nagsama-sama kami. You know, if you know the term na nag-EB kami, eyeball, ganyan. So, nag-meet kami, nanonood kami, tapos naglaro kami magkakasama. So, sa isang bahay, kanya-kanya kami dala ng PC. Tapos, doon kami naglaro, magkakasama. Tapos, nung time na nun, nagkaroon ako ng problem sa tuition fee. Tapos, I was planning to stop kasi nga, thesis na pag engineering, magastos ang Tapos, nung time na yun, from Rumble Real, our friend, tapos nagsabi siya na, maybe we can stream, Twitch pa nun way back. Tapos, I tried to stream with them. So, sila nag-set up, sila ganyan. Tapos, ang ginagawa pa namin doon, nagpa-connect kami ng internet, tapos wala pang fiber back then. So, we have 2 PCs upload and for download. And then, video capture. Medyo technical. Pero yun, doon na siya nag-start. Tapos, nagulat ako kasi I was just gonna play. Kasi nga daw, sinasabi ng friends ko na, ibang klase kasi yung gameplay ko. Kasi I'm little, pero yung mga gamit kong champion, mga mama. Mga mama, tas mga tank, ganon. So, hindi ako nagsusupport. I'm, off-tank or mga berserk, ganon. And I like yung mga war games. I play Call of Duty. Way back then pa, nung wala pa internet, Red Alert, ganyan. Tapos, Company of Heroes, ganyan. So, weird yung mga nalaro ko. Tapos, nung time na yun, within just 7 days, na-earn ko yung buong college tuition fee ko. Yeah, so sobrang sobrang wow, kasi minsan pinapakanta nila ako Lupang Hinirang habang naglalaro. Kakantahin ko talaga kasi I will donate 200 USD sing while playing. Mga ganun. So, wala naman akong alam kantahin. Kundi happy birthday, Lupang Hinirang. So, doon siya naging very entertaining. Tapos, pumasok sa isip ko, to answer the question, what's next? So, what's next for me is, pwede pala to, tas may mga brands na lumalapit. Actually, if you guys remember, you were, one of the first brands who supported me, PLDT. Yeah, nung nagsa-start pa lang yung career ko as Suzy Sor and yung Rumble Royal. Tapos, together with, Suzy Sor, nag-grow din si Rumble Royal as his production, and now it's creative experience agency. So we do online and offline activation. And speaking of online, very important yung mga na-organize naming tournaments, show, ganyan. Kaya very helpful na we have super reliable connection. Kasi ever since I was using talaga PLDT, talaga, wala to sa script guys. It's just really PLDT talaga ever since, kahit sa personal namin. Tapos, very reliable and hindi kami nagkakaproblema when it comes may event kami. Ganyan. So, yun. Yan, that's the starting point na, I can do more, I can share more, ganyan. So, yeah. I hope I answered.
Aww.
Yeah.
Sobrang inspiring ng tatlong guests natin. Really on your how you started, how you're doing, how you're continuously learning with their tools at home. So with that, I'd like to direct two questions naman to our PLDT bosses. So for Sir